Hi beauties, in today's video I'm going to talk about my favorite affordable skincare products which are under 500 rupees, great for oily skin type and are from Indian brands. This video is not sponsored and all the opinions are my own and honest. If you are interested, keep on watching. So first things first, we have the face wash. It is the Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Deep Cleansing Face Wash. So what I love about this product is that it cleanses the skin so nicely without leaving it dry. I like to use it in my nighttime skincare routine because it gets rid of all the dirt, pollution and all the impurities from the skin. Unclogs the pores, which is very important for an oily skin type. Clogged pores result into blackheads, whiteheads and ultimately acne. So it gets rid of those. It retails for rupees 175, which is quite affordable for 120 ml bottle, and it does not have any parabens, cruelty free. So now only this much is left in my bottle. I have used it completely and I think it is so good and I would definitely repurchase it, but generally I don't end up using the full products. But if I like something so much, I definitely complete it. So this one is going to be completed. It smells great. It has a little bit of perfume in it, but I don't really mind a little bit of perfume and it does not irritate my skin. But if that is something that concerns you, there is a little bit of perfume in this. Next I have the Luxurious Adore Saffron Scrub. Now this is something I fell in love with since the day I tried it. So the beads inside this scrub are made out of saffron, which is really amazing, and thus it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells heavenly and it gets rid of all the dead skin and impurities so nicely, and it leaves the skin so much brighter and nourished. Like generally the scrubs I use, they either leave my skin dry or they leave my skin really irritated and red, but this one ticks all the boxes. It hydrates, it nourishes, and it also gets rid of all the dead skin cells, which is the ultimate purpose of the scrub. And it retails for rupees 499, and that is really close to 500 rupees. But yeah, it retails for 499, which is so worth it because I've been using it for 6 months and you just need this much, and I don't know, this will last me for a year. Next up we have the Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask. So this mask has everything that an oily skin girl needs. So it has kaolin clay, it has bentonite clay, it has green tea leaf extracts, and it has glycolic acid. So everything that a oily skin girl needs basically in a mask. It detoxifies the skin from within, and it might sting for the first time when you use it, but after using it a couple of times it gets completely normal and it won't sting after that. And it is great for acne prone skin because in fact the whole range of the Plum Green Tea is great for acne prone skin. So this one retails for rupees 490 for I think 60 grams of product, which is great, and I definitely recommend this one. Toner is again from Plum and it is the green tea alcohol free toner. What I love about this toner is that it is alcohol free, because generally all the toners have a little bit of alcohol in them and this one does not. So it shrinks the size of your pores and also prevents breakouts. I like to pat it on my skin and then leave it on for a minute and then go ahead and apply my moisturizer or serum. And I really wished one thing, that they had a spray dispenser, because this I need to take it in my hand and then, which is not very much hygienic. So I think they should have gotten a spray bottle kind of a thing here, but anyways I love what's inside. So yeah, also the smell of this is so refreshing and it just smells so pleasant and just so summery. Summery is the word. I think it smells like summer, and I also feel that this will be ideal for any tropical kind of hot and humid weather. So it retails for rupees 390 for a 200 ml bottle. Now coming to the serum, this is the one and only serum that I found was affordable and effective for an oily skin type. So this is the Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. Apply it after using my toner. So it does not only have rosehip oil, it also has some other oils and other ingredients like vitamin E, almond oil, jojoba oil. So there's not only rosehip oil, there are other ingredients too in this product, but it's good. I like it. Great for oily and acne prone skin. So it leaves the skin very soft and glowing. So once you apply it at night, you will see the results in the morning. Your skin will be really soft. Details for rupees 215 for a 10 ml bottle. Last but definitely not the least, we have the Wild Organica Aloe Face Moist. This one is so light and you won't even feel that you have a moisturizer on your skin, and that is what an oily skin type wants. Like, we don't want anything on anything greasy on our skin, right? So this does not feel like anything. Love the airy consistency, and the smell is so aromatic and so divine. I absolutely love it. And coming to the smell, it also has the essential oils. It's like tea tree oil, rose, fennel, rosemary, lavender. You can use it regularly under your daily makeup, or you can use it at night, or you can use it both the times. I like to use it both the times. Currently I am using this day, night, every time. So this is something I'm really loving. I would really love you guys to check this one out. And with this, we come to an end of this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what products have you tried or are planning to try. I would love to hear that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.